With cases doubling in less than 2 weeks, health experts warn the spread of Covid-19 is gathering speed in Africa as countries start to lift lockdown measures.
We know that it took 98 days to reach the first 100,000 cases and only 19 days to move to 200,000 cases. So even though these cases in Africa account for less than 3% of the global total, it's clear that the pandemic is accelerating.
The continent now has more than 216,000 confirmed cases and almost 6,000 deaths. South Africa is the hardest hit country, accounting for more than 58,000 infections, closely followed by Egypt and then Nigeria. The World Health Organization raised concerns about the virus's potentially devastating effects in Africa early on, citing a lack of infrastructure, underdeveloped health systems, and problems enforcing social distancing measures. However, the continent hasn't seen the death rates experienced in Europe, the US or Latin America, nor has there been significant infections in refugee camps. The WHO said that while African countries' quick moves to impose lockdown measures have helped the situation, vigilance was still needed. It pointed to a lack of supplies, particularly test kits, as one of the biggest challenges. But 8 million diagnostic tools and 200 million personal protective equipment items will soon be shipped to African countries.